How to tell the difference between the African goshawk and the very similar looking Little Sparrowhawk. Part 9. The African goshawk is a lot larger. The males are from 38 centimeters and 220 grams, and the females are 45 centimeters to 360 grams. They are a lot bigger than the males. The Little Sparrowhawk ranges in size from about 23 to 27 centimeters. The males are about 75 grams and the females are much bigger, 105 grams. The first thing I look at is the cere color above the bill. In the African goshawk, the cere is like a grayish-greenish color, whereas the cere of the Little Sparrowhawk is yellow. The eyes of both of them are yellow, but sometimes the Little Sparrowhawk's eyes look more orange. The bill of the African goshawk is far more robust than the Little Sparrowhawk's bill, which is smaller and kind of stubby. The barring of the Little Sparrowhawks is grey-brown in males and more rufous in females. In this video clip, you can just make out very faintly the two white tail spots on this African goshawk that's been dive bombed by some fork-tailed drongos. And these are flight shots. You can see the underwing markings are very similar in both species. Now you can't ID them on the white tail spots alone because the African goshawk male has two white tail spots at the back of the tail. The Little Sparrowhawk, the male and the females, have smaller white spots on the tail. Now, as if it wasn't confusing enough to ID the adults and tell them apart, the juveniles look very similar too. Both species have brown upper parts and they have white underparts which are heavily blotched with brown markings. And something to look out for in the African goshawk juvenile is that dark median throat stripe in the center of its throat. And the juvenile Little Sparrowhawk has teardrop brown markings on the white underparts. And the juvenile Little Sparrowhawk has a clear white throat and no median stripe at all. Check the comments below this video for links to the other 8 videos in the series called How to Tell the Difference.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and post any comments you have down below.